Exercise 1. Spellcaster. A rotational core move using a weight, twisting side to side to engage obliques, abs, and shoulders. It challenges stability and builds core strength. Focus on controlled motion, tight core, and full twist range to maximize tension and prevent strain. Exercise 2. Lying leg hip raise on floor. Lying on your back, raise legs and lift hips off the floor. This targets lower abs, strengthens hip flexors, and improves core stability. Perform slowly, avoid swinging, and squeeze at the top for deep abdominal engagement and better control. Exercise 3. Dip vertical leg raise using dip bars. Lift straight legs to hip level or higher. This strengthens abs, hip flexors, and stabilizers. Maintain straight posture and avoid momentum. Control each lift to keep tension on the core and develop stronger, more defined ab muscles. Exercise 4. Hanging oblique knee raise. Hanging from a bar, drive knees toward one side, alternating. It hits obliques and entire core, improving rotation and definition. Keep the torso steady, avoid swinging, and focus on slow, deliberate moves for maximum tension and safer execution. Exercise 5. Cable kneeling crunch. Kneeling and pulling a rope or bar down toward the floor. Build stronger abs, especially upper and mid-core. Keep hips steady, avoid pulling with arms, and move only the spine. Squeeze at the bottom to fully activate the ab muscles. Exercise 6. Hanging leg hip raise. Hanging from a bar, lift legs, then raise hips. Advanced ab move for lower core and hip flexors. Keep controlled motion, avoid momentum, and focus on lifting hips high. Builds strong, defined abs and enhances grip and upper body endurance.